Hi everyone, are you looking for a multi-service application like urbanclap where a customer can book home service expert, plumber, electrician, cleaning expert and much more? Then this is the application for you. In this application, a customer can book service provider according to category, and they can also see different service providers available. They can click on any of the service, they can book the service, they can enter their details, they can book the service for right now, and they can also schedule the service to a particular time, and then they can see the complete summary, and then they can pay online or they can book by COD. So that is how a customer can book services. Now the nearby providers will receive this inquiry and they will accept it and they will complete the service. So that is how our ready-made urbanclap similar service booking application works. So if you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.